How to use Airalo Greece eSIM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Airalo eSIMs are a game changer for travelers, but beginners often make mistakes that lead to connectivity problems or wasted data. Here's how to use the Greece eSIM properly. The first mistake is assuming any eSIM plan fits all needs. Most people get this wrong by picking a plan without checking data limits or validity. Greece eSIM plans vary by data size and duration, so choose one that matches your stay and usage habits. Second mistake, not checking device compatibility. You won't believe how many users try installing an eSIM on incompatible devices. Make sure your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked before purchase. Third mistake, skipping installation instructions. The surprising truth is installation errors can prevent service activation. Follow Airalo's step-by-step guide carefully, scanning the QR code or entering details manually if needed. Fourth mistake, ignoring local network selection. Airalo eSIMs often let you choose networks. Beginners sometimes stick to defaults, which can lead to weak signals. Selecting the best network for your area ensures faster and more reliable connectivity. Finally, not monitoring data usage is common. Running out of data without realizing it can leave you offline. Track usage through your phone or Airalo app, and consider top-ups in advance to avoid interruptions. By selecting the right plan, verifying device compatibility, following installation instructions, choosing the best network, and monitoring data, you can use the Airalo Greece eSIM efficiently. Avoid these mistakes, and your trip will stay connected and stress-free.